Hey guys, today let's learn how to detect ChatGPT content. So if you guys are wondering how to detect ChatGPT content, if in the case that you have noticed specific content that has been made on ChatGPT, but you want to go ahead and confirm this, in this video I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So one of the main methods we could actually do in order for us to detect some ChatGPT content is to go into ChatGPT application itself and then prompt the AI software to detect its own creation. So let's say detect all of the AI generated content from the text that I will provide. You can actually ask them to do this and they will basically detect. So if in the case that you have this option that it cannot detect specific instances of AI generated content, you could easily go ahead and ask them if they wrote a specific text. So let's say, did you write this? And then paste the text right below, and then it will easily detect if ChatGPT wrote it. One more thing you could also do in order for us to detect some ChatGPT content is to launch the Safari applications, and I want you to go ahead and search for AI content detector. So from here, you could easily choose any application that you'd like. I do prefer using CopyLeaks or either writer.com. These are the best applications you could use to detect some AI content, especially with GPT-4, GPT-3, and ChatGPT. So that is my advice for you guys to detect some ChatGPT content. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.